Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Pixel ID and admin access. Now start. Log into your Analytics or Ad account, copy the Pixel ID and a valid access token. Next, open your website CMS or hosting file manager and create a restore point. Backups prevent mistakes. Choose installation method, tag manager for flexibility, direct code for speed. Once done, prepare a small text file with your Pixel ID and the page where you'll paste the code so you don't hunt for details. You will now add the Pixel snippet to the site. If using Tag Manager, create a custom HTML tag and trigger on all pages. If direct, paste the snippet immediately before /head on each template. Make sure the Pixel ID in the code exactly matches the one from your account to avoid data gaps. Once done, enable async loading to reduce page impact and publish changes to staging first. Then open the staging URL and watch the browser console for load or script errors. You must verify tracking now. Open the live site and use a Pixel Helper extension or the Browser Network tab to confirm the initial page view fires and that events contain the correct ID and parameters. If nothing appears, make sure ad blockers are disabled, ensure cores or mixed content errors are not blocking the script, and look for duplicate Pixel instances. Once done, simulate core events like purchase or form submit to confirm conversions. If problems persist, roll back to backup and reapply the snippet carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.